Welcome to Dr. S. Thapa Academy, where you'll learn to earn money online effortlessly and professionally, without spending a penny. Join us for expert business and financial growth strategies. In this video, we'll explore the best business models that require little to no upfront funds and show you how to get started even with limited resources. Alright, let's kick things off with service-based businesses. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money without any upfront investment. Essentially, you're leveraging your existing skills to offer services that people need. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great places to connect with potential clients. You can offer a wide range of services, from writing and graphic design to social media management and virtual assistants. For instance, if you have writing skills, you could start a freelance content writing service. Platforms like Fiverr allow you to create a profile and start offering your services with no investment. You set your rates, build your portfolio, and start attracting clients. Another example is graphic design. If you have a knack for creating visually appealing content, you can offer your design services on platforms like Upwork. Social media management is another hot service right now. Many small businesses don't have the time or expertise to manage their social media accounts effectively. If you're good at creating engaging content and growing social media followings, you can offer your services to these businesses. Virtual assistants is another great option. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners need help with administrative tasks, scheduling, and customer service. If you're organized and good at multitasking, you can offer virtual assistant services. Remember, the key to success in a service-based business is to leverage your existing skills and market them effectively. Build a strong online presence, showcase your portfolio, and continuously improve your skills to attract more clients. So if you're ready to start a business without any capital, a service-based business is a fantastic option. Next up is dropshipping. This business model has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. With dropshipping, you don't need to buy inventory up front. You only pay the supplier once you receive a customer order. This means you can start an online store with very little money. First, decide on the niche you want to target. This could be anything from skincare products to tech gadgets. Find a dropshipping supplier who offers the products you want to sell. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store. Marketing is key to success in dropshipping. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to promote your products. Dropshipping is a great option for a low-cost business model without holding inventory. Moving on to affiliate marketing. This business model allows you to earn commissions by promoting products you believe in. The best part? You don't need to create your own products. Simply sign up for affiliate programs, promote the products, and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic option for those who have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. Once you're approved, you'll get access to a range of products that you can promote. For example, let's say you're passionate about fitness. You can create a blog reviewing fitness equipment and include affiliate links to the products you recommend. When your audience clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You can also use affiliate marketing on social media. Create engaging posts that showcase the products you're promoting. Use your affiliate links in your bio or posts, and encourage your followers to check them out. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose products that align with your niche and audience. Promote products that you genuinely believe in and that provide value to your audience. Another tip is to create high-quality content that showcases the benefits of the products you're promoting. So if you're looking for a low-cost business model that allows you to earn money by promoting products you love, affiliate marketing is a great option. Sign up for affiliate programs, create valuable content, and start promoting products to your audience. Let's talk about print on demand. This business model allows you to sell custom products without holding any inventory. You only pay for the products that are sold, making it a low-risk option for new entrepreneurs. Platforms like Printful or Teespring make it easy to get started. Here's how it works. First, you create custom designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. You can use design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva to create your designs. Once you have your designs ready, you upload them to a print-on-demand platform like Printful. For example, let's say you create custom artwork. You can upload your designs to Printful and sync it with your Shopify store. When a customer places an order for a t-shirt with your design, Printful handles the printing and shipping. Print on demand is a great option for artists, designers, and creatives who want to monetize their work. You can create a wide range of products with your designs, from clothing and accessories to home decor and stationery. Marketing is crucial for success in print on demand. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your designs and attract customers. Create engaging content that highlights the unique aspects of your products and encourages people to make a purchase. Another tip is to collaborate with influencers and bloggers in your niche. They can help you reach a larger audience and generate more sales. So, if you're looking for a low-cost business model that allows you to sell custom products without holding any inventory, print on demand is a great option. Create your designs, upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and start marketing your products. Now, let's dive into content creation. Starting a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast can build an audience and monetize your content. You can start with free or inexpensive tools and scale up as you grow. For example, start a YouTube channel focusing on personal care tips. Monetize through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or brand sponsorships. Blogging is another great option using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Podcasting is also gaining popularity with tools like Audacity or Anchor. The key to success is consistency and authenticity. Create valuable content and engage with your audience. Let's move on to online courses or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses or offer consulting services. This business model allows you to monetize your knowledge and skills without any upfront investment. For instance, if you're skilled in marketing, you can create an online course on Teachable explaining the basics of digital marketing. Use your existing knowledge and experience to create valuable content that helps others learn. Once your course is ready, you can promote it through your website, social media, and email marketing. Consulting is another great option. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can offer consulting services to individuals or businesses. Platforms like Zoom and Calendly make it easy to schedule and conduct consulting sessions. The key to success in online courses and consulting is to provide value to your clients. Create high-quality content that addresses their needs and helps them achieve their goals. Marketing is also crucial for this business model. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your courses or consulting services. So, if you have expertise in a particular field and want to monetize your knowledge, online courses or consulting are great options. Create valuable content, promote your services, and provide excellent value to your clients. Finally, let's talk about crowdfunding. This business model allows you to raise funds for your business without giving away equity or taking on debt. By creating a compelling campaign, you can attract backers who are willing to support your idea in exchange for rewards. For example, if you want to launch a line of eco-friendly skincare products, you can set up a Kickstarter campaign. Create a compelling video that explains your product and its benefits. Offer rewards to backers, such as early access to your products or exclusive discounts. The key to success in crowdfunding is to create a compelling campaign that resonates with your audience. Clearly explain your product or business idea and why it's unique. Use visuals, testimonials, and detailed descriptions to showcase the value of your idea. Marketing is crucial for a successful crowdfunding campaign. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to promote your campaign and attract backers. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and keep your backers updated on your progress. So, if you're looking for a way to raise funds for your business without giving away equity or taking on debt, crowdfunding is a great option. Create a compelling campaign, promote it effectively, and engage with your backers. With the right strategy, you can successfully raise the funds you need to launch your business. Starting a business without capital is entirely possible. From service-based businesses to dropshipping and affiliate marketing, there are plenty of low-cost business models to choose from. Pick the one that aligns with your skills and interests and get started today. Let's quickly recap the business models we discussed: service-based, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, print-on-demand, content creation, consulting, crowdfunding. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on starting your own business. We're here to help you every step of the way. Please like, share, and subscribe for more business and finance videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.